Are you sick of spending bajillion years and daydreaming while waiting for your stupid eyelashes to get curled? Gusto mo ba ng on-fleek na eyelashes? Pero ni katiting na talent sa paglalagay ng falsies wala ka? Bet mo ba na pagising mo sa umaga, wala pang hilamos o toothbrush pero ang eyelashes mo, vavavoom na?
Hey you guys! Welcome back sa akin channel. My name is Polin. For today's video, hindi naman ako magkukulay today, but it will still be something related with the hair and it will be on my non-existent eyelashes. That's going to be lash lifting and we're going to use this product, this ICONSIGN LashLift. And this is something that I have been seeing online. Very popular in the internet. I've seen people use it on Instagram, TikTok. Just to give you like a quick tour on my eyelashes. I don't have anything on my eyes, so zoom you in guys to have a quick look at this very short eyelashes. Lash lifting kit. I got it via Shopee. I'll be linking the shop where I got it. So if you'd like to purchase it, you can just check the description down below. Speaking of Shopee, I got it through JNT. Thank God, walang basag dito. Instruction number 1, use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Wiping my eyes with this. Step 2 is apply the eye pads under eyelids to protect skin from lotion. So it doesn't come with the eye pad, so I think that you need to purchase it third party. You need to buy your own. I'll just skip and go to the part 3, which is put glue on the eye pads, then place it on the upper part of your eyelid and make sure it is stained. So just an FYI, this product, I've had this order back on May. But JNT decided to fuck my order up. I'll be telling you the story. I'll do a little mini story time with you guys. So buckle up. Stay tuned.
So I'll put this on my eyelid. I've put on glue on both sides and using the tool that came with the lash lift pack. So I'll just make sure to spread the lashes evenly because this is how it's going to look after. So you need to be careful on this part of the step. Then I'll put on the PERM solution number 1. Actually, matagal ko na dapat gagawin to, pero there was a lot of stress on my first order. Shopee and the seller where I got it is really not the problem. It's more on JNT's side. So to make the story short, after continuous text, email, FB message, and Facebook post, it took them 4 weeks or 1 month to say na nawala nila yung first order ko over this text message. After nilang mag-text, may tumawag sa akin na taga JNT. So, over the phone, sabi ni JNT, "Hi, Ma'am Polin po. Ma'am, advice lang namin kayo na nawala po yung parcel nyo. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, i-refund namin kayo. Saan po kayong malapit na branch?" Doon nagulat ako kasi bakit ako ang kukuha ng refund sa branch nila? Ako bang nakawala? Sa quarantine nung nangyari tong incident na to. Anong next JNT? Ako na uutusan nyo mag-deliver ng mga parcel nyo? After 10 minutes, ang next na ilalagay is the fixing solution. Number 2, cover it with plastic and leave it again for 10 minutes. So, going back to the story. So, sabi ko kay Kuya, bakit ako kukuha ng refund? Ako yung buyer. Hindi ko naman nakuha yung parcel. Ang dapat kong kausap is Shopee. Ang gagawin nyo lang is i-advise nyo lang si Shopee na nawala nyo yung parcel and then i-refund nila yung Shopee Pay ko. And then yung refund na manggagaling sa inyo, dapat sa seller yan kasi sila yung technically nawalan ng gamit. Tas sabi ni Kuya JNT, ganun po ba ma'am? So, kailan nyo po pwedeng kunin yung refund nyo dito sa branch? And doon na talaga nagpanting yung tenga ko. Nawala lahat ng patience ko at medyo pasigaw ko nang in-explain kay Kuya na hindi ako dapat ang kumuha ng refund. Ang sabi ko, kailangan yung gawin ay i-report lang sa Shopee na nawala yung parcel para i-approve nila yung refund request ko at ibalik sa akin yung pera ko via Shopee Pay. And then, ang kinakausap nyo dapat, si seller. Si seller dapat ang kontakin nyo sa refund na yan. Sabi ni Kuya, ganun ba ma'am? Tumawag lang naman ako para sabihin na nawala yung parcel nyo. Di ko naman sinabing pumunta kayo dito. NANI? Ay, grabe si Kuya. Hindi ko alam kung nangiinis o natitrip na lang. Sabi ko kay Kuya, please, huwag na akong tawagan mo about dito. I-report mo na lang sa Shopee na lost parcel. And then si seller na ang kulitin mo. And then after 10 minutes, tanggalin na natin yung plastic and the lift pads. And we're going to clean this using the cleansing na kasama sa package. Pero medyo konti yun, kaya gumamit ako ng micellar water separately. And as you can see, it already has lifted a lot. It looks great. And then the last step would be using the nutrition that came with the package. And I really like the nutrition. I've been using it after every day like a castor oil alternative. And we're done! Woohoo! So, as you can see guys, nag-lift siya. So, I'm going to zoom you in guys on how it looks. And I'll do a before and after comparison so you could see how much it's lifted. This is all my lash could do here. So, wala siyang kahit anong products. I did not put any mascara. I did not curl it or anything. Just the lash lift. And it is very lifted, very cute, very luxurious, very bougie. I need to fill in this waterline above. Para kasi siyang merong agwat or space right here, so I'll just do an eyeliner. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you've enjoyed this video guys. Give it a like if you like this video. If you did not like it, you can just dislike and go on to another video. Guys, if there's anything that you'd like me to try, you can just like put a comment down below, and I do reply with comments. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!
초콜릿은 달콤해